Hello everyone, welcome back to Physical Answer. Today, we are going to focus on quick and effective core strengthening exercises that will help you build a strong and stable core. These mini workouts are perfect for those of you with busy schedules who still want to prioritize their core strength. So let's get started. Before we jump into the core exercises, let's start with a quick 2-minute warm-up to get our muscles ready. Jumping jacks, squats, lunges. So now when you are warmed up, you can move on to the core exercises. We have 3 core exercises lined up for you. Each exercise will just take 1 minute to complete, making this a quick and effective core workout. Plank. Get into a plank position with your hands under your shoulders and hold it for 1 minute. Keep your core engaged and your body in a straight line. If you are a beginner, you can hold it for 30 seconds and increase gradually. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, lift your legs off the ground and bring your elbow to opposite knee while extending the other leg. Alternate sides for 1 minute. Leg raises. Lie on your back with your legs straight. Lift your legs up towards the ceiling, keeping them straight. Lower them back down without letting them touch the ground. Repeat for 1 minute. After completing the workout, let's cool down to help prevent any muscle soreness. Knee to chest, seated forward fold, cobra stretch. Remember, consistency is key to building a strong and stable core. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more tips. Stay strong and keep working on that core. See you in the next video.